Welcome to SigmaNEST. SigmaNEST is a powerful CAD/CAM nesting software that drives profile cutting machines, such as laser, plasma, oxyfuel, waterjet, router, punch, and knife cutters. What makes SigmaNEST different isn't the fact that we can program any cutting machine. The difference is SigmaNEST offers a faster, more efficient way to get the job done. Just import what you want to make into SigmaNEST. SigmaNEST users can enjoy a deep integration with any CAD workflow they choose. Whether it's auto-nesting or creating complex toolpaths, with our automatic NC features, we've got your back. Users can also track work orders, inventory, remnants, and create custom quotes on the fly. We can even sync this information for you in an ERP or MRP solution. Come see why SigmaNEST is the fastest growing platform in manufacturing today. Visit SigmaNEST.com to learn more.